What's good, y'all? It's your girl Alexis Hair, and I'm back again with another hair video. So we're jumping right into the hair today. I'm showing you guys what the wig looks like inside. So we have 3 combs around the outside, 1 comb in the middle, and then we have our 4x4 closure. This wig was sent to me by Wignee Hair, and I got the wig in 22 inches. So today I'm just going to do like a quick, easy closure install, which will be perfect for like the spring, summer, and the hotter weather coming around the corner, because ain't nobody got time to wear a frontal all the time. So as you guys can see, I already have my baby hairs parted off on the sides, and I'm just showing you guys the nice box that it actually came in. It was a satin lined box, and inside the box was the wig, a wig cap, a paddle brush, a couple scrunchies, and like a hair clip, which I did not show on screen. But we're finna get into the install. So first, I'm basically pinning back my baby hairs and everything away from my forehead so that I can cut off those little tabs, those real thick tabs on the side of the closure, so that it can be like laying super flat, and of course help it look a little bit more natural. So now that those little tabs are off on the side, I'm going to cut the lace. Now these are like my sewing scissors that I like to use sometimes. And my newest method to cutting my lace is kind of just letting the scissors cut for themselves. So I kind of put pressure on the scissors, and if they cut, that's what I'm gonna rock with. So as you guys can see, the lace is a little bit dark, just a tad. So I'm just putting a little bit of makeup on the edge of my wig cap. And then I'm gonna pull the wig back forward after applying my glue. So for my glue for today, I'm trying the olive oil or wig spray. I'm trying it again. I'm giving it a second chance, and I'm running out of my favorite one, so I decided to just try out this one again. It actually held pretty well with my closure, so maybe I'll just use this just for my closure installs. I did 2 complete layers, and with this one you kind of have to work fast, because number 1, it's runny, and then number 2, it dries really fast and then it's no longer sticky. But I just pulled the wig forward, and then you'll see me kind of just like using my fingers to kind of like press the lace into the actual spray. So now that our lace is down, I'm just gonna go in with my sewing scissors again, and I'm gonna cut my baby hairs just a little short, so that I can go ahead and swoop those to look the way I need them to look. Now, before getting into the whole baby hair process, I did go back in with the Oars lace spray, and I just sprayed it like pretty much in between my baby hairs and the actual hairline, and just all along the 4x4 closure, so that we can get a little bit of extra hold. Then I basically just went in with my blow dryer and kind of just blow dried a little bit, so I can make sure that it's not running down my face or anything like that. I used my comb to kind of basically help push the lace into the glue. But once we get through this process, we jump in right and straight into the baby hairs. So for the baby hairs, we got our mini flat iron, which I forget to turn on all the time when I'm doing my hair. Be careful, because I just burnt myself. But sometimes it's easier to curl the baby hairs before you actually cut them, and then cut them basically after you curl. So I'm using Gorilla Snot to slick these baby hairs. So I just apply a little bit of Gorilla Snot to the root of the baby hair, and then you'll see me going with my baby hair toothbrush and basically just swoop and loop and just make it do what it do. So it's up to you how you swoop your baby hairs. Like I said, you don't have to do this method, but I like to curl them first, get my Gorilla Snot, which is my new favorite method, and then swoop. Only thing that I probably should have did a little bit different as far as this install goes is to kind of like hot comb right along the edge of the closure some of the hair down, so that it would cover the little black band on the side just a little bit more, so that could be a little bit more seamless. But overall, I feel like this was a super easy install, super easy, super quick, not too hard. But make sure you guys check out the description for all the links for Wignee hair. So now that the wig is down, I'm just going in with my hot comb and kind of just hot combing everything, so that we can have like a super flat closure install. And then you guys will see me going in, straightening the hair and all that good stuff, kind of just like getting it all together to bring the look all together. But I really feel like I shouldn't have to go through and explain that stuff, but really quick, I do want to talk to you guys a little bit about the hair. So the hair was very pretty, and it was very thick. That's probably like my favorite thing about this wig, that it was super thick to be only 22 inches. Side note, you guys see me getting my Got to Be Glued spray. What I'm doing is just basically spraying down all of my flyaways and then going back in with my hot comb to make sure that there's no flyaways sticking up in the back or the sides or whatever. Alright, so now I'm finna get into straightening the hair and kind of just pressing it out. I'm going in with my elastic band and just tying it just so that everything can be melted and just looking good once I'm done styling the actual wig. Now I went simple with this one. I just kept it straight and easy. Nothing too fancy. Probably in some later videos I'll do more curls and like styles and stuff like that, but like I said, I just wanted to keep it pretty simple with this one. But as y'all can see, it's straightened very well, and I'm just going in with my comb, combing everything out, and then I'm going to take off my elastic band to see what we working with. Now my little baby hair on the side got a little messed up. All you gotta do is fix it up a little bit, but other than that, this was a pretty easy install. I literally didn't apply any type of makeup to the actual part, just the front of the lace, and as you guys can see, the knots bleached perfectly because that part looks super straight and very much like scalp, and that's what we'll be looking for when we be buying these wigs. So I'm just going in with my last minute Got to Be Glued to get rid of all my flyaways, and I'm basically just going to show you guys how long the hair goes on me. So it's probably about 2 to 3 inches below my boob, and I'm only 5'1". My torso is pretty short, so it looks really good. Overall, I give Wignee hair a thumbs up on this unit. I think it came out really pretty, so make sure you guys check the description box to shop this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed yet another closure install. Love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.